Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Q and welcome to YouTube's most underproduced, poorly produced Amiga channel. And this is a really short, quick update video. I have gotten the 3000 put more or less back together. I did order a SCSI to SD so we can get rid of this noisy hard drive, but I absolutely appreciate having it, and I'll hold on to it, obviously, for backup. I've got the Picasso 4 nice and snuggled in there. Put the screws back together because it is really sensitive. These Picasso 4s are extremely sensitive to not being like plugged in all the way and the case moving. Like I wouldn't even want to put the case on this, which I'm about to do because I want to show you how much quieter it is to put that case on there. But yeah, I just wanted to, I probably should make a proper Picasso 4 video, but I did want to say that, for those that don't know, the Picasso 4, one of its cool tricks, and one of the reasons you see all these pins and connectors on it, is that it's more than a video card. Back in the day, you could buy modules to plug on here. It would add 16-bit stereo sound, and they even give you, on the card, they give you the audio jacks and the S-video jacks, but they're not activated. You have to buy the modules and plug them into the card, and then you have S-video in and out. I don't know if it's in, I think it's just out. It might be S and composite out. And then audio in and out for 16-bit stereo sound. So those are actually pretty hip, all in one card. Kind of like, it's almost like a modern expansion card that we have today. And then of course the Picasso 4, with its 4 megabytes of memory, it'll do up to now, I think, 1600 by 1200. And it's a single connector out the back. Like I said, you don't do any Amiga video pass-through on this. The Picasso takes all of the Amiga data and shoves it through its bus and puts it out of its port, which makes it so cool. So let me go ahead and slide the outer case back on to hopefully get rid of some of this hard drive wine. I'll be right back, guys. Well, I wasn't quite right back, but I am back, and the case is on, and what you're mostly hearing in the background there is the fan on the power supply. So maybe I will look into a quieter fan, but this 3000 saw very little use by its original owner, so the power supply actually looks great. The LEDs are nice and bright when I get them up and running. Just need to clean the case up, like I said. One of the things I am doing, though, to help break in the 6060 and the system in general is I'm firing off an animation of the good old Babylon 5 station. This is a 90 frame animation at 320 by 240. Wow, yes! And I'm saving out 24-bit IFFs that I will then take into Art Department Professional and compile an Amiga Ham 6 animation. And then can play that back and be like, ooh, neat, neat. But as you can see, it is on frame 11, and it's taking about 3 minutes and 41 seconds a frame. That's because I am doing 320 by 240, but I'm also having some enhanced low anti-aliasing to help smooth up some of the pixel jaggies. And then I'm also turning on motion blur, because I have the camera kind of doing a slow little move on it, and I thought, heck, why not? Let's just turn it on. And the point is, I do want it to take time because I want to do a burn-in of this 060 with the cooling I have on it. And if I see any or smell any weird discrepancies, then we'll know that it's not happy. But so far, it's been happy. I did a minor burn-in test earlier for around 10 minutes, and it was fine, which is why I got to this point. But yeah, here we go. You can see the light from the RE Amiga 3000 motherboard. It mimics the power LED on the Amiga, which, again, it does work. I just need to, once I clean the whole beast up, I'll resolder this power light, and this will be up and running, ready to go. But yeah, once that SCSI to SD arrives, I'll give the Amiga proper cleaning. But for now, we're just rendering away here. Thanks for watching. I did say it was going to be short this time, but I just wanted to give you a nice little update recap of what this 3000 is doing and how much of a kick I am getting out of it after all the stuff I went through. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. All right, take care.